How to make homemade coriander and lemon rice, a natural pain reliever. Hi everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a fantastic recipe for you that combines simplicity, deliciousness, and some natural pain relieving properties. We're going to show you how to make homemade coriander and lemon rice, a flavorful and aromatic dish that's also very easy to prepare. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more multi-recipes and culinary inspiration. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes. Let's jump right into the ingredients and preparations. Ingredients: rice, 1 cup of basmati rice, or your preferred rice variety. Water, 2 cups of water, for cooking the rice. Coriander, a small bunch of fresh coriander leaves, about ½ cup, finely chopped. Lemon, 1 lemon, juiced and zested. Ghee or oil, 2 tablespoons, for cooking. Mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Chana dal, 1 tablespoon, optional. Urad dal, 1 tablespoon, optional. Green chilies, 2, chopped, adjust to your spice preference. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Salt, to taste. Cashews, 2 tablespoons, roasted, for garnish, optional. Preparation. 1. Cook the rice. Start by cooking the rice. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Add the rice and 2 cups of water to a rice cooker or a pot on the stove. Cook according to package instructions or until the rice is fully cooked and fluffy. Once done, set aside. 2. Prepare the coriander and lemon mixture. While the rice is cooking, prepare the coriander and lemon mixture. Finely chop the fresh coriander leaves and zest the lemon. Combine them together in a small bowl and set aside. 3. Heat the ghee or oil. In a large pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil over medium heat. 4. Add spices and lentils. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow them to crackle for a few seconds. 5. Add dals and chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of chana dal and 1 tablespoon of urad dal, if using. Stir until they turn golden brown. Then, add the chopped green chilies and cook for a minute. 6. Add turmeric powder. Add ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir to combine. 7. Add cooked rice. Now, add the cooked rice to the pan. Gently mix everything together so that the spices and lentils coat the rice evenly. 8. Add coriander and lemon. Add the coriander and lemon mixture to the rice. Squeeze the juice of the lemon and mix everything together. 9. Add salt. Taste the rice and add salt according to your preference. 10. Garnish with cashews. If you're using roasted cashews, sprinkle them on top of the rice for an extra crunch and a burst of flavor. 11. Serve and enjoy. Your homemade coriander and lemon rice is ready to be served. This dish pairs wonderfully with curries, grilled chicken, fish, or can be enjoyed on its own. And there you have it. A simple yet flavorful recipe for coriander and lemon rice that's perfect for beginners and great for incorporating natural pain relievers into your meals. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let us know in the comments if you try this recipe or have any other requests for future videos. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy cooking!